How's it? This is Dave, the marketing manager at Annex Finance. So we just did a video to talk about the landing page, pretty basic, just how to get here and what basic information you might be able to see. But let's launch the app and give you a sense of the dashboard. I don't have this unlocked. Let's see what that does. This is my software wallet. Important that we connect to a wallet. You have to have that, obviously. And we have the Binance Smart Chain, BNB chain, we'll call it here, and Chronos. And basically the layout is as seen. You can see some metrics on the site, protocol. BSC will be listed here. Just always double check that if you refresh it to make sure that this has refreshed as well. So we've got lending, which is the supply an asset, get paid interest, borrow an asset. You might pay some interest, but you also might get interest in return. We'll get into that. We have a DeFi 3.0 vault, which means you get some of the AIW Annex Iron Wolf NFTs. There are 2,000, and I believe there are about 1,400 or so left. But right now, for example, there are 50 people that are staking their NFTs in our vault, and they've shared $720,000 in USD in the last 2 months. So it's worth looking into if you're trying to get into a great DeFi protocol. I don't think there's any protocol out there with that kind of return. So you can get the NFTs here. We've got a stable swap. You've got your basic DEX swap where you can purchase your ANN, farms, pools. If you have a project you want to launch, one of the benefits of being in the protocol is that you can get access to new projects as they come up. So yeah, the price is down here if you need to add it to your MetaMask, or I use Rabby as we set up here. Pretty basic layout. Not too much on this first page that will scare anybody, but a lot of options. And if the number is green, you get paid to borrow. If it's red, you get charged interest to borrow. But if you're asset to asset, you'll see that most of that kind of evens out. All right, that's step one, the dashboard layout.